Well, this is a real learning experience. Redoing all the rollers. Good chance I'll paint this up from there, but got a couple of the new rollers in. Paint this up from there, but got a couple of the new rollers in. The easiest job in the whole world. You've got the other side to do. Rollers are here. Just got some body work going on at the moment as well. Just got some body work going on at the moment as well. Okay, on the last day, sitting the track sag on time, got. Okay, on the last day, sitting the track sag on time, got this side grenade this. Window put in, got the mat. This is all painted. The track's all painted, new rollers, new sprocket on this side, new idlers. P&I inside.